all over the field. The yellow team is going to the yellow ones, red team is going to the red ones. You cannot touch each other's ropes, all right?
Yeah.
There are
Across the street.
5, 6. There are 6 lock boxes across the field. One at the UN, one at the drug lab, one at the helicopter, 2 in CQB, one at the oil rig. That's 6. Good, I counted right. All right. There are locks on each one of those lock boxes. I have the combinations, 1 page for each team. When you open the boxes, there are going to be 2 in there. You cannot touch the enemy team's rope. You can camp it, however. You cannot touch it. You can sit right outside and keep shooting people as they keep trying to come in. All right? Once you collect all 6, you bring them to us in the ref tower. Then phase 2 will begin. All right? You understand? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Am I missing anything? Medics. Everyone has a green armband is a medic. So you're a medic. I gave you those pink, purple, whatever color, orange surveyor's tape. The medics don't need to tie this around their arm or completely here somewhere. All right? If you cannot be medic, you have a 2-minute bleed out time. Once you've bled out for 2 minutes, you must go back to your respawn point and start over.
I can confirm it. Yeah, sure.
Hey, you want to do me 2 solid? I'll take 2 seconds. Right past this like break in the path, there's a dead thunder bee laying on the ground. Would you grab it for me?
Dead thunder bee?
Grenade. Looks like a grenade.
Oh, okay.
Right over, like right past that rock wall, right on the ground there.
Alright, I'll look for it.
It's on the pathway. I just don't want to get shot. I appreciate it. Help coming through. Thank you. Thank you much.
You're welcome.
Don't tell me because in that window.
What? Watch out there.
Coming heavy left, guys.
Heavy left. Watch out, I'm changing mag.
I'll go in the other building.
Mr. Thompson, where's he coming from?
There's one straight here, there's about 3 or 4 this way. Hey, there's a bunch coming this way, right?
What?
There's a bunch coming this way.
Yeah, you don't have any.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. No. Yeah.
I can get out.
Watch out, Mr. Thompson, they're running that way. They're gonna come through this way.
Oh, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People coming.
We need some help over here.
I know, man.
Watch it. Oh!
You hit?
Yeah, get me a med.
Hit.
Right here.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, keep me covered.
Give me some cover.
Yeah, here, I'm going over there.
He's coming.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh. He's hit.
You hit?
There's like 6.
He's hit over there.
There's more than that.
Empty watch.
Oh my god.
Stay back. Where'd all those guys go to run back, man? We need some help.
I'm gonna get him.
I know. But you're tiny enough I can do that.
Get all the neighbors.
Get him.
Get it. Keep going.
Alright. He's dead.
No, there's a guy, another guy.
Remember, guys, we just need to hold this box. Our objective is to not let anybody get in that little building right there.
We're doing a pretty good job of that.
Yes, we are. Oh, they're coming heavy on the left here. Are they? Yeah, they don't know about reinforcements. Playing duck hunt. Did you just get hit?
Me? No.
It sounded like something hit your boot or your shoe. Well, they're getting close to you, though.
Yeah, they're shooting at me.
Now I'm hit. God damn it. Medic! 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 What? Medic! Coming! This is me again. Just grab me and pull me back there. You'll be fine. Grab me and run. So use me as a shield. There you go. Hey, we need another gun on this corner.
Right here.
Right here.
Get the gun up, let the medic do his thing. There you go. I got one, listen, one in the woods. My 7 o'clock.
The Eamon ran out of ammo, I had to find some. He didn't throw his handcuff up all the way.
Back up.
I gotta make sure I don't get hit.
Back up or crouch down. Either one is good for you.
Alright, look out the window.
Mackenzie, watch out, I'm shooting above you. Wait, you talk to on there.
Bands or no bands with the traffic?
I said they're not full on their hands. Here, back up into the corner.
I see him. I'm gonna hit this corner right there.
Go right here, we don't need you to get hit.
That guy's still there. That guy's still alive.
Go dead, don't worry about it, over.
Yeah. All right, guys, start spreading out. I'm gonna wait for Chief. Go. Go. We'll catch up with you.
We didn't find this thing let's do for a PCB game. So you want to go
Moving guy.
Come this way. Down.
He's dead. Behind that ground. Got a medic around here?
I think medic left a while ago.
They're trying to move up. Sorry, I didn't know you were hit.
MP5, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm moving. Are you friendly? Quiet. You got that? Does anybody know what building it's in? I know, you popped at him. Oh, fuck, headshot. Good shot. Medic! Go. Stay low. Lower.
Do you have any idea where it might be?
You got no idea where, yeah, it'd be in the 10th building. There'd be one in there and there'd be one in the other building that's close to it. But there's only one problem. I have no idea.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem, hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, watch it. We got a guy in the left. Yep. In front of the blue building. Careful. Oh, hit! Hello. Okay.
Hey! You have a red rat here?
What's
You
up?
have a one red rat?
I lost it in the woods.
Okay, just keep your hands up, please.
Keep up? All right.
Keep your hands.
I got you. How long? 2 minutes? Alright.
I got shot in the neck again.
That video that we lost the UN.
Having fun?
In the
CQB,
yeah.
City.
Feels good. Yeah, I got it. I'm tired. I can't do it. I know, me either.
medic!
Hit!
Okay.
Oh, we're dead.
We're dead.
We're dead.
Yep.
It,
Yeah, I have another one like that. That's it. After that, that's it.
Friendly! They're dead! Move up! Move up! They're dead! Move up!
Medic! about time?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? All right.
Is this one?
I want 30 seconds to heal, man. Young man walking.
There's a lockbox.
My gearbox is fucked.
Blue building for the white building?
Yep.
How many? I saw one guy in the shadow, that was about it. Come on, we got guys pushed up on our right, cover.
Want to push up?
Yeah, go.
Yo, you got one on the left.
Right here, I'll bring him to you.
Yo, you got one on the left over there. Be careful. You got two. This one. Who's shooting at me?
I left it out. Here, I'll walk out.
That's fine, keep your
My bad. It's all right, man.
Come on, drive me 2 minutes.
I am Buddha.
All right, dead man right here. I'm dead.
What is everyone doing? We're on the box. Christian Civil Security. Ground building's clear. We're on the box, guys. Bill, I already got the one for Pennzoil.
Yeah, they got the box.
You got the box?
All forces, move to UN. All forces. Let's go. We got troops. Let's go.
Yo, make sure you don't get shot.
Got him. Where?
How you doing there, Tom?
I missed my light bulb.
God damn it.
Watch left, watch left! Jesus Christ.
What the hell was that?
Don't scare me like that.
They're on our left, they're on our left!
Watch that one.
We fight to the last man.
Yeah.
Right. Okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You're coming in.
Come in. Fuck everybody.
Hit! Help.
Hit! Hit! Are we all out? We're all out. We're all out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tommy.
You okay? Okay. Go. Go. Team, over here. Right. This side. Wait. Oh, good. Rob. Yo, you got it? No, where is it?
Oh, looks like we're bleeding out.
Where's the lock box? That one! You in, right?
You got the lockbox.
You got the lock box?
Yeah. Alright. Captain's working on it. Anybody else need medic?
Anybody else find it? Here, I got one with a grenade. Nice.
There's one. Yeah, he's still. Oh, he's dead. Yo, you guys dead?
Yeah, can we talk?
I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah, you already hit him.
Oh. No, because I'm not almost just got screwed over. Like, 'cause I didn't shoot him, so I just want to make sure. Don't want to be a dick.
I think so. They got their last lockbox. Because the last thing was in there.
Wait, this means they've completed objective 1.
Whoa!
Which means you gotta get. Safety kill, safety kill, safety kill, safety kill. You guys not hear me? Safety kill, safety kill. Safety kill. Same team! What the fuck are you doing?
I did not think they were that far up.
Oh, I knew they were. I thought they were just cleared out.
We had a group of 5, you know, but I don't have any walkie-talkie.
Oh, we need more than 5 for that. Hey guys, we got a minute left.
How is no one seeing it?
I'm just saying, it's gonna be Sunday.
Hey, we're out. We're out.
He's supposed to 12 out. Yeah, I know.
I'm out of ammo.
What's up, Matt?
Yeah, can you drag him back? Oh, the next day.
Anybody can drag anybody. You don't have to be a medic to drag them.
Yeah, I said safety kill.
Oh, safety? I'm sorry. I didn't hear. I thought you said same team. Sorry. Your medic is this one.
Okay, I'm gonna stay down.
Keep
That's enemy. Two guys just went that way. Keep an eye on the back. They came out of the woods. They went back the other way.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I see him. Got one of them.
I think they're flanking us.
Probably, yeah.
Coming from behind. So I'm gonna watch the back.
Switching batteries.
Whoa!
Real quick.
Whoa!
Who needs a medic?
Yeah, don't you get that. I can't revive you. Bring the pain. He's moving to you. Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't hit you though. I know that.
Oh, you got me.
Hey!
Guys, we got a breach.
Still behind us. Hit.
Hold on. You have to wait till you bleed out or a medic comes to save you. Like, what?
Medic.
Hold on, I gotta save this guy. Alright. Come on.
Guys, if you were shooting into CQB, in CQB, you gotta be semi-only.
Yeah.
Shooting from CQB to the woods, you're allowed to go full auto.
Thank you.
One or two guys, we need one or two.
That's good. Medic? Do you need it?
No, I need 2 more people to guard this pack.
I'm the medic over here.
You're the medic, help him.
You're on the other team.
Dead men don't talk for you, okay?
Guys, we got contact behind us.
They definitely all got hit.
Yo, team check, team check. Oh, you're good, you're good. What we got over here?
Watch, we're all good right now.
Got anything over here?
Their entire team's pushed up.
Gotcha. I'm gonna go out the back.
He's just sitting behind those logs.
Alright. That wasn't them. You got eyes on that guy?
Yeah, he's trying to poke out, but he's not.
Watch right there, they're moving up left side, left side. Watch the left.
Oh, I was so close to your face, dude.
Left side.
The guy's still there. Yeah, he's just kind of camping. I haven't hit him. There's no way he's not dead.
Watch out for that. There's a guy just skip him right past. Right here. I'll call it. I'm not a little bitch. Wait, you hit?
Yeah, I actually called it. I'm not half looking.
Anybody got a speed motor? Oh!
Left side, come up to the left side, left side, left side. Come on the left side. Left side, left side. He just ran up over there. 2 minutes. I know. Oh.